Hey, I have a second channel, cubecompmtdx.
Hey everybody. So my recent video of pulling the C drive on Windows 11 and causing it to crash has gotten a lot of attention since I've uploaded the video, and there were several requests in the comments. There were several comments noting I should have had the speakers plugged up to the computer when it crashed so that we could hear how the sound sounded like. And I totally agree with that. So here we are back again. We're going to do this again. This time we got the Plexi over here running, as I did a temporary install Windows 11 on its secondary drive, and I got that pulled up and running right now. And the speakers in this monitor are of course plugged up to the Plexi, so we'll have sound. So I'm going to go ahead and play a video here, and of course, why not let's play the video itself, what happens to Windows 11 when the C drive goes offline. And get this. Get our sound up here just a little bit. Now, if you watch the video where I tested Windows 11 on this computer, you'll notice how it ran really slow because of the hard drive. Okay, so we're playing now. So now, let's pull up Task Manager, so that way we can see what's going on here. And we're going to go ahead and disconnect the hard drive. And let's see what happens here. 3, 2, 1, disconnected.
YouTube, and of course let's pull up a cubecompmtdx channel just for the fun of it. So of course I don't have sound hooked up to this computer, but unless we'll play a video. Okay, so we got a video playing.
Mind you guys, it's disconnected already.
Pull up Task Manager. Why not? Have it playing in the background here, of course. Windows 11 is doing stuff in the background, so that being said, let's go ahead and disconnect the hard drive.
Task Manager is frozen.
4, 3, 2, 1. Disconnected. Video froze up. Mouse cursor still works at least right now. Test.
Sound has stopped, video is froze. Cursor still works. As soon as I clicked, the cursor froze. We're just waiting for it to crash. It's hanging on much longer this time. I'm amazed. Yeah, somebody mentioned in the comments saying that yeah, you would expect it to crash, and yeah, that's the case, but you'd be surprised how long things might actually hang on for. You can see it's froze up. We may just get a hard freeze this time. Alright, so yeah, numlock is froze up on the keyboard. Alright, so let's try that again. We'll plug the hard drive back in and reset, and we're going to go back into Windows 11, and we'll try this again. Hey guys, it recovered. I wish I'd recorded that. I plugged our drive back in, and everything just came right back. So, alright, let's pull edge back up. I'm amazed. I should have kept it recording. I will next time. Oh, and everything just kind of picked up where it left off. So we're gonna go over to let's go do a different video. Let's go to cubecompmtdx, where I have a video that has some royalty-free music. Here we go. And we're going to let this video play, and I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm going to pull up Task Manager. And we're going to pull the hard drive again. 3, 2, 1. Disconnected. We have a freeze up. Music's still playing. Again, like before, keyboard's froze, mouse is frozen. We'll plug the hard drive back in and watch what happens if I get that to recreate itself. Try a different setup on the motherboard here. Okay guys, it looks like it's a hard freeze this time. So, looks like on this system, we're just going to get a hard freeze. No weird sounds from the audio, from the video. I know some of you were probably hoping for that, but, yeah. Yeah, looks like we just going to get a hard freeze this time, man. Let's see. Yep. Just got to lock up. Didn't get the black screen of death this time. So yeah, I figured I would just recreate it again with video this time. So didn't get any weird sounds. It just the sound just quit when it eventually locked up. So anyways, I figured I would do this again with the sound and see how it would do. So different results this time, again, a different computer. Of course, this time I used the Plexi. Last time I used this computer down here, this AMD A6 system. So anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.
Well everybody, that wraps it up for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the computer channel, and be sure to tick that bell so you'll get notified when new videos are posted. Also, don't forget, I have a whole lot of other interesting videos here on the channel to check out. And also, in addition, I have a second channel, cubecompmtdx, where I have all sorts of other videos not exactly related to technology. Links to the channels are available at the end of this video. Again, I thank you for your support and thanks for watching this video.